So as much as you won't believe this guy over here, this little guy, is a folding kind of like bagoon or kind of like beach car, holds up to 220 pounds or 300 pounds, depending if it is kind of like in dynamic mode or if it is kind of like in a static mode. So, for example, if you're gonna put some like logs over here or something like that, this one will hold up to 300 pounds. But also, you will have this over here, which is gonna be kind of like the net, so you can actually put more weight in here and more stuff, and you can secure it with this one on top. So that is really cool. We're gonna actually put that one over there. And if you don't believe that this one supports those 300 pounds or even more, check this out. I'm 180 and I'm right here just like jumping a little bit, and this one is not even moving, so it supports that heavy weight. But then when you're done, this thing is actually pretty cool. I'm gonna show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but as easy as it gets, just like this, do this, grab the straps, make this one on the go. Okay, so check it out, a little bit of a closer look now. So you have this over here, you push and you're all set. You also have this kind of like dynamic handle over here that you can just use it to drag or push. Big wheels, which by the way, the two ones on front has two locks, so you will do that and this thing won't move, at least in that direction. But then what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of like push this as well, and it's gonna be ready to move back again. It has a really nice frame, I have to say, and with that kind of like net that I showed you before, you can even manage to put some more weight in it. So I gotta say that this one, it looks small, it looks compact, it looks tiny, but it's also mighty. One more time, I get that in here, and this one could be really good to also take the kids to the beach or just like grocery shopping or go to the lake or things like that. Small but compact and easy to carry. Just 11 pounds of weight when it's in compact mode, and then just holds so much weight that you won't believe it. Keep it in your truck, keep it in your car, keep it in your SUV at all times, and it's gonna be really convenient for you to have.